Good morning, boys and girls. So today for reading, we're going to continue working on our sound power, which is one of our superpowers for reading. Yesterday, we focused on looking at the first and last letter of a word to help you figure out a tricky word that you don't know. Today, we're going to try something called chunking, and that's when you look for parts of the word that you know. Sometimes you can find small words inside bigger words, or sometimes it could just be a part of a word you know. And here are some examples. Like in this word right here, which is blanket, I found the word an. And you can hear the word an in the word blanket. Sometimes, even when you find parts of the word you know, it still might not be so easy to figure out the whole word, but it still helps to find those small words inside the big word. Swing. I found the word in, and I also found the ending ing. This word says bath. Look, this is the TH digraph you learned. So when you see TH, you know it says th. Same thing with this. Here is the SH digraph. So when you see this, it says sh. You don't have to say shirt. Okay, so boys and girls, I know I have fun with this because when I find small parts of the words that I know, I get really excited because it helps me to feel like I know part of the word. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you. Oops. That was not a great look you needed to see. I'm going to show you in this book that I love, and I'm just going to read a couple of pages. Oh boy, look at this word right here. I see, let me chunk the word. Oh, look. I see TH, and that says th. I also see IN and the ending ing. And I know that that word is a sight word that says some. So the whole word says something. Something. Is something on my head. Did you see how I found all the parts that I know and I put it all together? I'm going to try another word. There is a bird on, this word I don't know. Oh, look, I found the sight word you. And there's just an R at the end. Now, a word like this, you can't say you-er. It still sounds kind of funny. But that's okay. It's still good that I found the word you. So the word here is your. There is a bird on your head. And look at this page. What are two birds? Look this word right here. I cover this, I see the word do. And I cover this, and I see ing and in. Do-ing. What are two birds doing on my head? Okay. Sorry, boys and girls. I just like to show a lot of examples. Now, if you look right here, if you want, you could pause it and try it with mommy or daddy or somebody at home. Look at this page right here and tell somebody the parts of the word that you know. Chunk all of these words and see the parts of the words that you know. If you want, you could take a piece of paper and write this sentence down. Just copy it. And then, just like I did over here, you can circle or underline the parts that you know. You don't have to, but if you want, you could upload the sentence that you copied to show me the parts of the word that you know. You can also try it with this sentence too as well. Okay? So boys and girls, like we said, what we're focusing on today is chunking. So when you read a book at home, today and every day, I want you to practice finding parts of the words that you know or little small words inside big words. So if you want, today, maybe take a book, read a book on math, kids. And when you're reading and get stuck at a tricky word, try this strategy. You'll get better and better about it each day.